don't know if it's making sense. Today I'm going, and then today we have another video back on the channel. So let's go and play this game. I just downloaded 4 new games, so. And I have a lot of space, so I should be able to record a lot. So as you can see, I've already played this game, so let's continue. I have everything I know. Alright, let's go to the budget. That's the rating, alright, so I already named it, so let's go ahead and go to not marketing. So over here. I actually can't afford that. We're not buying that. So let's go ahead and create card because I'm reading. It should be a coupe. Should I get this? Not available. Oh, I can get those. It just that just says not available. Alright, I got it. So let's go back to the first one. And take this. Good. Budget. I guess it'll be a sport. This sport car will be called the I would get copyright. As in the 7 C's. Yeah. The race car is called the 7 C's. I want this race car to look fun. I want this car to look fun. Like a green color, some mirror. Why not? Why not mirror? Rims. I have no idea what that is, but let's add it. Free. Oh, with the max. Free is the max. Let's make it level figure rims. Hot eyes. Alright. I think I'll make it red. Railway 60s production. Create engine. Duh. And guess what the engine's gonna be called? Guess what the engine is going to be called? You already know it. Five cylinders, yep, it's good. I think we should be done. Where's the car? what I'm gonna name it. If you guys want more of this, game on the channel, make sure to like and subscribe. And let's continue. No, what? Oh my gosh, what is the game like?